Formatting storage devices could help eliminate corrupt files and unwanted data. On a Windows computer, it's an easy and pretty straightforward process. In fact, there are numerous ways to get it done. However, there are possibilities of running into certain hiccups while formatting storage. In this tutorial, we'll share some reasons why Windows might fail to format your storage disk and how to resolve the resulting error. Here's how to fix this problem. Click Start button and type CMD in the search and press Enter. Find Command Prompt from Start menu and run it as administrator. Type diskpart on the black Windows and press Enter key. First, write list disk and press Enter to open a list of drives. Then you can see partitioned and disk list of current computer. All drives are listed with numbers and disk 2 is the flash drive in my situation. Input select disk and the actual disk number of the USB stick you need to select in the diskpart window, and press the Enter key. Enter the clean command, and press the return key. Next, enter the create partition primary command in diskpart. Then input format fs equals FAT32 quick and press Enter to format the USB drive. Finally input assign. If you have other suggestions or recommendations, make sure to let us know in the comments section below.